Well, you spent a lot of time at home the past several weeks. You've really dug in and cleaned up your place. Now you've got piles of stuff that you need to get rid of ASAP. Well, I chatted with Andy Majors from 1-800-GOT-JUNK on how his team can help. First off, just remind us real quick, what is 1-800-GOT-JUNK?
You know, we are the world's largest junk removal service. Simply, that is what we are. And we just make junk disappear. To just be upfront with you, that's what we do.
Well, we've all been stuck in our homes for a long time here. A lot of us have already gotten that jump start on spring cleaning. If we haven't, what are just some good tips that we can use to get a jump start on that spring cleaning?
A lot of people like to start by making piles and determining what is junk, what is something we can keep. And that starts the decluttering process, or purging process, if you will. Our team is full service. We don't require you to make piles. We'll go anywhere and do that for you. But I think that can absolutely help, kickstart the process for some people in determining what they want to get rid of and what they want to keep.
What items do you all take? I mean, can I just have you come over and take anything out of my house?
Pretty much anything, man. There's only 3 things we don't take, and that's wet paint, gas, and oil. Furniture to appliances to brush to workout equipment that you always said you were going to use that you just haven't used in 2 years. We can take care of that for you. A lot of electronics that people, don't think that they just want to hold on to, but things go out of style so quickly now. There's just so much, pretty much anything under the sun other than those 3 things I said, we will take and take care of for you.
Well, how quickly can you guys come over to pick up the junk that I've accumulated?
We have such a large team, so many trucks. If somebody were to go online or call in, we can be at your place, home or business within 90 minutes. Sometimes, faster than that. So we have a full team, a lot of trucks to get out to you to take care of your situation.
And I see about 3 different places in your office there where I can get the answer to this next question. But how do our viewers get a hold of you?
Yeah, so you can go online at 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com, obviously, or just call 1-800-GOT-JUNK. So everybody has a different way they want to book online. People even book through our Facebook page or Instagram. They might just make a comment of, hey, I got stuff to do, get in touch with me. So we get pretty innovative with that, but those are the 2 easiest ways: call in or go book online, and we'll take care of it.
What type of safety procedures are your team taking before they go out into different different people's houses?
We wear masks, we wear gloves. Our team gets a water jug and a Ziploc bag with towels and soap. So our guys are washing their hands before and after every single job. We have wipes as well. So we were wiping down our work phones. We were wiping down the credit card readers. So we're doing everything we possibly can to ensure safety for our team and obviously for customers. We do offer the no contact junk removal service. So some people are putting stuff outside and that's totally fine to where they don't have contact with us. The people that do let us in their homes, because we are full service, we truly practice the social distancing. We don't get within 6 feet.
Well, schedule Andy's team to help you clean up and clear out your space. Here's that information again. Call 800-GOT-JUNK, 1-800-GOT-JUNK, or go online to 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.